Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Shuklam Brahma Vichara Sara Parama Ajam Jagadvyapini Veena Pustakadharini Mavayadam Ragyam Sakadavaham Aste Svadika Malika Vidadati Paramasane Sansitam Vande Tam Parameshwari Bhagavati Buddhi Pradam Saradam Nasuryaharyam Nacharajahaya Navatri Bhadyam Nasavarkari Ekrite Vardhata Eva Nityam Vidyananam Sarvadanam Pradhanam Vidyananam Sarvadanam Pradhanam. Namaskar everybody, sit down. So today's date is 23rd of February 2026. Nepali date 2082 Phalgun 11, right? And how many days are left for the grand election? 10 days. On 21st there is election. And how many days are left for your pre-board examination? 14 days. From 25th you will have your grand pre-board examination, and later on there will be your grand finale in Chaitra, right? And side by side you have to be involved in farewell program to grade 10. Yes or no? Right? Okay. Nowadays what are we doing? We are doing the presentation of chapter whose slides are made by the students. Could you check whose work was discussed yesterday? Karuna. And where is Karuna's work? Jain, Abhisar, Nisha, Sugam, Nirajan, Yunis, Janish, Mohan, Eric, Ritik Khanal, Karuna, where is Karuna? What's that, Anish? This one? Okay. I think February 1, this is the one, old one or new one? Old one. Old one. I think from Karuna it is new, right? Okay. Now, if so, today we are going to discuss about the presentation of by Priyanshi. Priyanshi's work will be discussed today, okay? Priyanshi, I think she got here, what did she get? But it was chapter wise.
No, sir. No, sir. Set wise and then.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Means 1 to 19, 1 to 18 set wise, and 19 to 23 chapter wise, right? I got a little bit confused. Now I'm confirmed. So first of all, let's download it.
Yes.
And who prepared? Please, you come on the stage, because people, they must know whose action is this.
Yes.
Right? Roll number 6. She is none other than come this time. Priyanshi Preshka, grade 9 student in 2082, and she will be going to appear the SC examination of 2083, right? Next year. All right. Set 6 solution. We know there are 4 types of questions. What are they? MCQ 10 marks, BSQ 9 marks, short questions 28 marks, long questions 28 marks, a total 75. That is external and internal. You will get marks in presentation, participation, project work, class work, homework, and unit test. And this is your presentation, how you are preparing and submitting. Accordingly, you will get a mark. Set 6 solution. Okay, so MCQ. Please read the question. What is here?
What is the source of the
Least count of the emitter. What is that? 0.1 microampere. What should be there? Micro. Mu A. Mu A. Okay? Microampere. Alright? And what is second one? In which kingdom do eukaryotic organisms that obtain food by decomposing the body of parts of organisms belong? See, decomposing means they must be decomposer, right? What is the answer? Fungi, right? Okay, PNC. Yeah, fungi. Is it right or wrong? Right. Give a round, big round of applause. Question number C. Please read the question. The organs shown in the figure are, which organs are shown? Oh, see here. These are the wings of, both are wings of birds. These are well, very long, right? This is of, I think, horse. This is of human being. Then what are they? What are these? Homologous organs. Their origin is same, function is different. They are homologous organs. Question number D. What does the question say? Question number D. Please read, everybody. What is the number of cranial nerves in human nervous system? Cranial nerves means they originate from where? Brain. So how many are there? 12 pairs. How many are there? 12 pairs. Number E. What is the question? Which of the following represent a correct food chain? Grass is eaten by grasshopper, is eaten by frog, frog is eaten by snake. Right? Give a big round of applause to the person who prepared it. Priyanji. Whatever. Recognize what? Question number F. What does the slope of a displacement time graph represent? Displacement time means velocity. What is that? Velocity. Which of the following is the main component of biogas? Methane contains. Methane considers the main component of biogas because methane is found in such places where there is decomposition of organic matter, right? Especially in dumping sites, methane gas. Number S. On the basis of nature of the bonds found in the following molecules, which one has the highest boiling point? They are given you have MgCl2. Magnesium chloride, it is electrovalent compound. What is it? Electrovalent compound. Electrovalent compounds, they have got high melting point, high boiling point. Number I. Which of the following metal is harmful to our body? Lead or mercury. We have studied already about 6 metals, no? What are they? Iron, zinc, sodium, potassium, mercury and lead. Out of 6, 4 useful, 2 harmful. Number J. Which of the following fertilizer is used for rapid growth of plants? Urea. Why urea? Because it contains more quantity of nitrogen. Nitrogen helps in fast growth of plants. Group B. What is the question? Write an example of a system that locates an object on Earth with the help of satellites. What is that? GPS system. What is that? Global positioning system. So if you want to go to some new places, you don't know, then simply you just go in Google Maps, find out the place and start. Just to press the start, slowly it guides you and you will reach over there without any problem. Number B, write the name of two hormones that are kept in the artificial medium for the growth of roots and stem, STEM, or not stem, during tissue culture. What are they? Auxin and cytokinin. Auxin, it helps in the growth of roots. Auxin helps in growth of roots, and cytokinin. What is that? Number C. Which physical quantity is represented by the ratio of wheel to radius of axle in the simple machine? Radius of wheel means, I think that is, what is that? BR, not MA, okay? BR equals to capital R by small r. So this is wrong, okay? What should be the correct answer? Velocity ratio. Number D. Write the name of solar technology shown in the given figure. I think the diagram was about solar dryer. Yeah, not right. Here is the dryer. See, this is solar dryer, solar technology. Could you remember the different devices which are based on solar technology? Solar duty, street solar lamp, solar heater, solar dryer, solar cooker. Yes or no? Solar cooker. Number E. What type of wave is generated when a stone is dropped in still water or pond? What is that? Transverse waves. Like that, the waves are produced. These are transverse waves. Okay, number F. Write an example of a chemical reaction that can be observed in kitchen. Very simple here given. Rusting of an iron knife. Yeah. Iron knife gets rusted. Not only that, there are some other devices also they get rusted. If they are metallic objects in that kitchen, they get rusted. Number G, what is the question? Which property of copper makes it possible to make electric cable from it? Electric cable, ductility. We can make wire. If the property of metal to make it convert it into wire is ductility. Ductility is a long. Number H, long chain atom formed by bonding of carbon is shown in the given figure. What is such property of carbon called? Catenation. In catenation, carbon, tom. Either straight or carbon. Here carbon. This is close or branch. Sometimes I would say family. Group A and Group B completed. Give a big round of applause. What happened to them? I'm confused. Now here is Group C. Short question answers. Write any two branches of science and the career opportunities possible from their study. So what are the two branches of science? Biology, physics, and from biology there will be production of doctor, nurse, physics, engineer. Wow. So during the time of Dasai also, old and aged person they just bless. Be doctor, engineer. They never say to be politician because they don't have any faith on politician also. Gafadis are there. Write two differences between FM and AM. Boys, your duty is to read FM. Girls, AM. Boys.
Yes,
AM. To girls sound. I'm confused. Read out loudly. High range or girls. She's confused. Boy or girl? Boy, now your turn. High quality. There. Low sound quality. See? The FM is much better than. Okay. Now next one. Master Prajwal, what is going on there? Be focused here. The 5 kingdom classification is more appropriate than 2 kingdom classification of organisms. How? Here you have to write 2 points. What are they? Number one, separate bacteria. Bacteria begin. Bacteria into kingdom Monera, whereas two kingdom system group them with plants. In five kingdom system, there are five kingdoms, right? Number one, Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. So, bacteria are kept in one kingdom, Monera. Second one, it gives fungi their own kingdom. See, earlier fungi were also kept in Plantae because fungi are non-green, but plants are green and non-green and green. How can we keep? Draw a diagram to show layers in gills of mushroom. Very good. Layers in mushroom, actually the gills. Gill has got mainly three parts, right? What are they? Trama. Next one, subhymenium. Next one, hymenium. Hymenium contains mainly two types of cells, basidiospores and paraphysis. Remember, basidiospores and paraphysis. Or basidia, these are fertile. This is paraphysis are unfertile. They do not produce any spores. Question number 7. So what a lovely statistic. Give a big round of applause for once again. Yeah, there is 7 question answer. Question number 7. Read it. What does natural selection mean in Darwinism? What the answer? Selection on only those individuals which are the fittest, which can accommodate, adjust in that changing environment. Only they survive and reproduce successfully. The process is called natural selection. Sometimes the environment becomes unfavorable. In that condition, if someone can adapt, will survive, otherwise they die. Question number 8. Read together.
When people suddenly approach to exert their unconsciously, right
Yeah. In this connection, I think we have to remember about this reflex action also, right? First, the brain perceives the danger and sends an immediate electrical signal to the adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is gland of emergency. The adrenal gland releases adrenaline hormone into bloodstream and it increases heart rate and which provides burst of energy allowing the person to run away. Actually, our body is a complex machine, no? Different organs are there. All the organs are functional. When the organs stop functioning, Ram Nam, Satte, Kam, Kuru, Fatte, we will not survive. That's why our organs must continue their work, whether we are sleeping or awake. Even if we are sleeping, our organs are functioning. Which organs are functioning? Functioning, do you know? Heart is functioning, lungs are functioning, kidneys are functioning, stomach is functioning, yes or no? Digestion keeps on continuing or not? So you put something in your mouth and sleep. Morning time, sir. No, you don't say that, sir. Toilet, long toilet. Sorry, toilet, whatever. What is next question? Question number 9. Write the role of decomposers in an ecosystem with an example. Decomposers, what do? They break down complex food material into simpler and soluble forms. What is given here? The primary role of a decomposer is to break down dead organisms, dead organic matter like fallen leaves, animal, etc. And an example is a fungi on a fallen log. When fungi grows on the wood softens and turn into a rich dark substance called what do you call it? The decaying matter is called humus. The minerals from the log are absorbed into the ground, where a new sapling can use these exact same nutrients to grow. That's why if there is growth of fungi, that is beneficial. Question number 10. How can MA and read? How can we increase? What is the answer? VR can be increased by increasing the length of the slope. And what is here? MA decreases the angle of smooth the, what is this? So here it said we can increase the MA, mechanical advantage, by increasing the length between those two and means angle between these two. So here increasing or decreasing, I think decreasing. Suppose this is inclined plane. What is this? This is theta. If we decrease theta, then our MA increases. Okay? And how can we increase the VR? By increasing the length. Make it too much long, velocity ratio will be high. Decrease the angle, MA will be high. What should be our answer? VR can be increased by increasing the length of the slope, and MA can be increased by decreasing the angle between the inclined plane and horizontal row. Vertical, this length of the inclined plane and this vertical, and then it's horizontal row. This angle should be less, right? Next one is, what is here? What is the question? What is bioenergy? Give its example. Given here, biogas. I think it must be biogas, is it? Biogas, not bioenergy, biogas. Biogas is renewable energy made from organic materials by the decomposition of organic materials. Here, sometimes they may ask you to draw this diagram. Draw a well-level diagram of biogas plant. Then, yeah, dome biogas plant. I think biogas is produced here, gas bulb, and this gas can be used for lighting and cooking purposes, right? Heating purposes. So in this mixing tank there, they just keep here slurry, means paste of water and other cattle dung, remains of vegetables, etc. When they reach here, decomposition takes place and gas is produced. This gas cannot escape because here is liquid, and there is outlet also. From this outlet, we can get waste material. That waste material can be used as organic fertilizer. What can be used as? Organic fertilizer. What is next number? Write in application each of infrared waves and microwaves. Infrared wave, it is used in TV, remote controls to send signals to the television. Microwaves used in mobile phones and Wi-Fi to transmit data and signals wirelessly. So today we will discuss up to group C. Now 3 more questions left. Why is nebula called stellar nursery? Nebula is called a stellar nursery because it is a giant cloud, dust and gas in space where new stars are born. What is the next question? Calculate the molecular weight for urea NH2-CONH2. How to calculate the molecular weight? Very simple. Here is given NH2-CO-NH2 means we add all. N plus 2 times hydrogen plus C plus O plus N plus 2 times hydrogen. Do you know the atomic weight of nitrogen? 14. 2 times 1. Carbon 12. Oxygen 16. Nitrogen
14.
okay. 14 plus 2 ones are 2. 12. Don't add now. Plus 14 plus 2. 14 plus 2. 16. 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12 is 38. 28. 28 plus 16. Plus, what is this? 28 plus 16. 44. 44 plus 14. How are you getting it? 44 plus 14. 58. 58 plus 2. 60. AMU. What is it? 60 AM. So you have to remember atomic weight. Sum of the atomic weight of the atoms present in a molecule is molecular weight. Question number 15. Differentiate between graphite and diamond. Graphite used in a pencil lead. Diamond used as a gem in a jewelry. Graphite black in color. Diamond colorless, transparent. Group 16. Not group 16. This is 16 number. Then after 16 number there is group D, right? Write name of the necessary fertilizers to solve the following problems faced by the farmers due to lack of nutrients. What happened in number 1? What is the problem? Delayed maturation of seed and shriveling of kernels. What is lacking there? 10J? Either. Big bag mistake? Phosphorus. And which fertilizer we have to use? Single super phosphate or triple super phosphate. Bone meal. Number B, the leaves of the plant are small and fall earlier. What is it? Slow. Godward Hogal. Okay, the leaf. Sometimes it happens. The leaves of the plant are small and fall earlier. What is the deficient nutrient? Nitrogen. And which fertilizer should be used? Urea. Today we have discussed MCQ, BSQ and SQ of which set? 16. Right? Sorry, 6. Which was made by A and C. And remaining group D will be discussed tomorrow. Everybody now go through those questions and start solving now. Okay, that is your today's khada. Understood or not?